Hi there, I'm Trisha Morris at Club Scrap. Come and join me for another volume event on November 18 and 19. Our fun project will have your head spinning with ideas. Let's take a look at what we'll make. Well, here it is, the Photo Twistabout. It's a really neat box, and we're actually going to create the box together, as well as the 4 handmade books and the adorable little drawer that slides in from the bottom shelf. Now, each handmade book that you'll create contains a series of pages. Some are trifold, and some are just single. And we're going to actually create all the bindings. We're going to do all of this together in phases. And this project even requires a little bit of homework. So if you purchase our craft along kit, we'll have you get a head start on trimming all those papers before we meet on November 18. Now, the Photo Twistabout craft along kit includes the 1/8 inch thick boards required to form the structure itself. We're gonna give you a needle tip glue applicator, and if you don't have it, be sure to pick up some of our amazing bookbinding glue. That's what holds everything together. It has the little Lazy Susan spinner. That's a really nice, sturdy metal piece, and all of the hardware, including the knob for the top, the 4 pulls for the books, and then those adorable little drawer pulls as well. Then you'll also receive 2 sheets of our folding board. This is the nice sturdy substrate that will create the 4 books that we're going to be making. We'll be decorating our Twistabout with Club Scrap's latest page kit called Meadow. It features coordinating ribbons, photo mats, embellishments, papers, and cut aparts to help you do a really nice job of finishing your piece. As always, your kit will come with very, very detailed instructions and a little bit of a video homework session for you to prepare all of the trimmed papers for the workshop. If you think this would be a great project for holiday gift giving, we have it not only in that craft color, but we're making it available with a black folding board or a gray folding board. Here's a fabulous Twistabout that my friend Karen made from a recent collection that we had called Fun and Games using the black folding board. And then I brightened things up a little bit with another version using a Petals page kit and the gray folding board. So be sure to pick up your craft along kit in advance, do your homework, and I'll see you in class on the 18th.